In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a quiz form in WordPress without a plugin. Whether you're managing a personal blog, a business site, or an online learning platform, adding a quiz can be a fantastic way to engage your audience. Plus, by creating it directly within WordPress, you can skip the hassle of relying on third-party plugins. This method is simple, efficient, and keeps your site streamlined. And if you're new to WordPress, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, so you can have your quiz up and running in no time. Now, before we dive in, if you don't yet have a WordPress site, you'll need one to follow along. You can find a link to get started in the description below. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option. This is typically located in the top right corner. Click on it to bring up the login screen. From here, you'll have a few choices to log in. I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to simplify the process and save time, as it allows you to log in without manually entering your username and password. However, if you'd prefer to use your credentials instead, that option is always available. After you've chosen Continue with Google, a window will appear displaying the Google accounts linked to your browser. Select the appropriate account you use for WordPress and confirm your choice to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control hub for everything on your site. Next, locate the Quick Links section on the dashboard. Within this area, there's an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that to begin customizing your website. This will open the WordPress site editor. If you manage more than one site under your account, you'll be prompted to choose which site you want to edit. Simply click on the one you'd like to work on, and the editor will load the corresponding page. Once you're in the editor interface, turn your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small plus icon. This is your tool for adding new elements to your page. Click on it, and a search field will appear. In this search bar, type the word quiz. This will help you quickly locate the pre-configured quiz block without having to scroll through a long list of options manually. When the quiz block appears, click on it to insert it directly onto your page. Now here's where you can start customizing your quiz. You'll be presented with a couple of options. If you already have a quiz link from another source, you can simply paste it into the provided space. Alternatively, if you want to create a brand new quiz from scratch, you can do so directly within the quiz block. Choose the option that fits your needs best. If you decide to create a new quiz, follow the on-screen prompts to build and tailor it to your preferences. These prompts will guide you through adding questions, answer choices, and any other interactive elements you'd like to include. Take your time here to ensure the quiz aligns with the purpose of your website. Once your quiz is set up, it's time for a quick review. Check both the design and functionality to make sure everything looks great and works smoothly. Test the quiz to see how it behaves from a user's perspective. This step is crucial to catch any errors or adjustments that might be needed before publishing. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a quiz form directly in WordPress without using a plugin. This method keeps your site lightweight and avoids the potential downsides of relying on additional software. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.